Do you know the car you are sitting in is not safe at all? Hey guys, welcome to Motorwings, and today we will know the dirty hidden secrets of Indian made cars and how and why they are unsafe. The first reasons are the Indian consumer who want a car which is cheap, looking expensive with lot of gadgets. How will it be? This is the main reason why the Indian components which are sent to be manufactured the car are cheaper than the foreign components. This is the reason why the car's safety is much lower than the foreign going models than in India. The car manufacturers are not God, they also care for the business. So if they increase in designing, styling, the money is spent on that, but now left the manufacturing of the body and another things which are taken aside and given to third parties, and due to which the Indian cars body manufacturing and it is weaker than another foreign going cars. The second reason is the main reason why in India the cars are not so well made and not so safe. First reason is the government. Unlike outside, the Indian government is not caring about automobile and automobile security and safety, due to which there is not having any crash test in India, so we can know the power and the strength and capability of a car which is made or imported in India and made here. So how can we know this? We can go to global and see the crash test result of the car. Then we give some of the example of the unsafe cars have been produced from 2015. Main is the Tata Nano, the Maruti Alto 800 LXI, the Hyundai i10 1.1 and the Swift Maruti LXI, the Ford Figo and the Polo, which are made in India. But in foreign, these cars are being banned and not being sold to their customers. And why? Now say the government is leading towards that? No. But according to Indian analytics, the improvement of the cars are being seen in the Indian cars, because now Indian manufacturers have started to take regulation and custom of foreigners and implied in their manufacturing system, which leads our India into a good automotive future, in which future the cars will be much more safe and unlikely to be late while standing still. Okay, for example, watch this video. So what we can do now, before buying a car, we should look the reviews and all the things which we need to know about the car, but not only go with the price that it is so cheap we can afford it, or it is stylish we can afford it. But we should see our safety also, because while driving, the most important thing is not looks, not price, it is our safety. This is a serious topic, man, because according to Indian statistics, more than 5 lakh death cases are always happening every year in India, and this is a serious topic. Okay, so like, share and subscribe my videos, and share my videos to your loved ones, your family who are driving car, and ride safely.